Are you a homeowner in the greater Salt Lake area considering selling your home this year and trying to figure out when is the best time to get my home on the market to make sure that I maximize my profits, to make sure I can get the greatest sales price for my home? My name is Rod Moser, and I'm with Next Home Navigator. I'm going to share with you some surprising statistics in Salt Lake County that might help answer that question for you to make sure that you gain the greatest advantage and maximize your profitability in the sale of your home. As for 20 years, I've been selling property here in Salt Lake County, and every single week for 20 years, I've been pulling statistics to keep my finger on the pulse of the real estate market. Today, I'm going to open up my statistics and share with you exactly what's happening in the Salt Lake County real estate market today. So these are the numbers that we pull, guys. The first thing we're going to look at is in Salt Lake County, the total number of homes on the market today are 2,699 homes, so just under 2,700. In the past 30 days, we've had 1,116 new homes hit the market in Salt Lake County. In that same 30-day period, we've actually only sold 619 homes. Now, there's a couple of things to look at right here. We had 2,700 people hire a real estate agent, put their houses on the market. Only 619 sellers found a buyer in the last 30 days. And we've had 1,100 new homes come on the market and only 619 get sold. So if we've got 1,100 new homes hitting the market and 619 getting sold, what's happening to the inventory of homes in Salt Lake County? That's right, the inventory is increasing. The average days on market for these 619 homes that sold in the past 30 days was 63 days. So what does that mean? It means that on average, it took a little over 2 months to get a property under contract in Salt Lake County. Now, in the last year, we had 4,239 homes go on the market and fail to sell. That means these homes either expired, were withdrawn, pulled off the market, or canceled. In that same year, as a group of real estate agents in Salt Lake County, we sold just over 13,000 houses. Now, one interesting thing to note about this is today we have over 10,000 agents actively licensed in the Salt Lake Board. So if we got 10,000 agents selling 13,000 homes, it gives us a really good indication of how many homes the average agent is selling. Now, these numbers alone don't give us the whole picture. So what I wanted to do really quick is do a compare and contrast from 30 days ago on the market, so January 10th to February 9th, to see how the real estate market is changing today. So let's go ahead and jump into that really quick. Guys, here's the statistics from January 10th. Here are the statistics from February 9th. So on January 10th, in the prior 30 days, we had 649 new homes hit the market. Today, that number has skyrocketed to 1,116. So we've nearly doubled the number of people that are listing their homes over the last 30 days. The number of homes sold in the prior 30 days from January 10th was 672. Today, that number is 619. So it's an indication that we actually have fewer buyers on the market today and more homes coming on the market. That's not a great thing for you if you're considering selling. The average days on market went from 53 days for these 672 homes that sold to 63 days for these 619 that sold. This is where you're going to see the biggest impact. The number of homes that failed to sell over the prior year, this is a rolling year from January 10th, 22 to January 10th, 23, was 3,992. Today, that number is 4,239. So more people are failing to get their houses sold after they list them. Who you work with can definitely have an impact. The other thing I want to share with you is over the prior rolling year, we had almost 13,300 sales. Today, that number is just over 13,000. So in summary, we have more homes coming on the market. The inventory levels are going up. We have fewer buyers in the market. The demand is going down. If the supply goes up and the demand goes down, the longer it takes you to get your house on the market, the more money that's going to cost you as the market continues to slide. In a depreciating market, the guy who sells last loses the most money. If you are one of those people that is considering selling your home in the market today, my recommendation is the sooner you can get your house on the market, the more money you're going to be able to keep in your pocket. Guys, my contact information is below. If you want to ask me any additional questions, if you want to share anything, your insights, anything like that, you can reach out to me. We welcome all conversations. We'd love to chat with you briefly about where you're at and how we can be a help for you if you are considering selling your home.